single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
So hi guys, today we are making a vlog on a few items that I ordered from Amazon and Instagram. Let's start opening. So the first one is this cover for iPhone 7 and 8. So I'm having iPhone 8, so I purchased this. Actually I loved the design of the cover and the quality also came out to be really good, which I actually wasn't expecting cause I hardly buy online, but this was good. Next one is this cover for iPhone 11 and it is having really good quality. The best part is that it is having a lining on the sides of camera protective part. When you keep it on a surface, it protects it from any scratch, and it is having a protective layer in front as well as the back. Next are a few beauty products. So the first one is this compact from Huda Beauty. The shade of the compact completely matches my skin tone, so if you are having a skin tone like mine, you must go with this color. And the applicator of this is super soft and I really love the packaging. Pigmentation is also really good in this one. The next one is foundation from Huda Beauty itself. This shade completely blends into my skin, so for a skin tone like mine, you must go with this shade of foundation. The same shade may also be available in MAC, so you can try that one as well. I have tried both. The next one is this lip shade. You can see I don't know which brand is this, but I actually love this shade and I am wearing this shade in this video. I'm not wearing any other makeup in this video than this lip color, and it is super soft. The next one is this set of 3 from Huda Beauty, which is having one primer, one makeup setter and a cleanser. The first one is this makeup setter. Since it is having a spray bottle, so it provides you with the ease of application. This is the primer and this is really good. I have actually tried this one. The next one is the cleanser. Try to always clean your makeup with the cleanser rather than directly going with the soap and water. Next one is this concealer. If you are having a shade like mine, go with the brown or orange kind of concealer rather than going with the skin tone concealers. So this is a set of 10 brushes from MAC. First of all, I really love the packaging. Since I do not use a lot of brushes, so I did not order 24 brush set and I ordered this 10 brushes. They are super handy and you can see they are so soft, so they are easy to apply foundations and other products, and they blend really good. Next one is a product for all the men's out there. This one I have purchased for my dad since it's his birthday on 8th. So this is a face care box from The Man Company. This is by Ayushmann Khurrana and you can see the packaging is super awesome. It is having a card from Ayushmann Khurrana and you can see the box is pretty attractive. It is having 4 products. I'll show you each one by one. The first one is a cream from The Man Company. You can see this packaging is so nice and it's so appealing. I guess this is the best birthday gift you can give to a man. The next one is this peel off mask, charcoal peel off mask. The next one is this charcoal face wash. This is basically the charcoal range of the face care set from the Man Company. And this is a face scrub. I have actually gifted a beard set from the Man Company and the feedback was really good. So next one is again a gift for my dad for his birthday. So this is iPhone 11 128GB green, and since I have purchased it from Amazon, I got really good discount on this one. Since my brother was excited for this, so I gave him the chance to unbox this. So you can see the color of this phone is so good. I actually love this color more than mine. I'm having the rose gold shade of iPhone 8, but this one was pretty good. So here are the basic stickers and all which come with this iPhone, and this is the pin. This he'll be putting on his own phone. So here are the earphones, the charging cable and the adapter in this. So this was all about unboxing all my orders. I have added the details of all the products in the description below. Thanks for liking all my videos. Let me know what kind of more videos you want to watch, and do like and comment. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.